think we have already proved that our YouTube channel, Grig Stamate Interior Design Solutions, is truly a book of interior design ideas. And the new uploaded video confirmed that. You will discover here one of the best smart and creative design ideas and solution for small home interiors. We will also talk about simple and affordable ways to turn a small living space into an elegant and comfortable home interior. Hi, I'm Lulu and I'm your host for today's video. Welcome back to our channel and a new uploaded video. Today we have selected for you more than 40 inspirational ideas for modern open spaces. The video is the 17th part of the popular video series House Tours. If you like the video, please consider giving us a like, comment, and if you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to our YouTube channel Grig Stamate Interior Design Solutions. Mentioned many times in our previous uploaded video that small homes present some specific architectural and design challenges. When living space tends to be quite limited, obviously the focus of interior designers and decorators is to take advantage of every inch of the interior in an effectively and functional way, of course without forgetting the aesthetics. In fact, aesthetics means to get rid of all unnecessary elements. It isn't a generality for doing that. Each home interior necessitates work, creation, attention to the detail, and innovation. You will see that in our video, the designers take advantage of every inch, turning the living spaces into spacious and bright home interiors with a serene and pure look. The simple and clever design is the key when it comes to create an illusion of spaciousness and your home interior looks larger than it really is. You will see many examples in this sense on our video. Avoiding visual limits like big furniture pieces, screens, even large potted plants will help the space look bright and spacious. That does not mean you shouldn't use plants or other decorative elements. Just place them in the corner or along the walls. This arrangement also favors a better lighting, especially natural lighting and across ventilations. Modern house interiors No matter how small they are, pictures, finishing details, and decorative accessories that tell a story and make the living space unique. A powerful design concept that makes the distinction between a boring home interior and an absolutely magnificent and unique one. You can see that in our video. Every home interior presented here is original and unique. The only common feature is the simplicity and modernism. They are also functional and comfortable. A house doesn't have to be big to be modern and comfortable. This image proves that. You can see here a small L-shaped kitchen and dining area. Modern, elegant, and trendy. Here you can see a similar design with the previous one, this time in white, grey and royal blue color combinations. Living dining area in black, grey and white. Despite the austere neutral colors, this small home interior looks warm, stylish and inviting. And speaking about small but stylish and warm open spaces, here you can see the enclosed balcony of the same home from the previous image. What do you think? It is like a tiny conservatory, isn't it? Let's see now a small bedroom from the same small family home. In fact, a multifunctional room, bedroom, and a small home office. Functionality and comfort, two main requirements for a contemporary home interior. Fabulous design idea. The attic of a small home is turned into an amazing family room. We sincerely hope you have enjoyed our video. Please write your opinion in the comment section. And if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for your time. Best regard and see you soon to another new video. Bye bye.